Sea moss doesn't begin in a factory. Its journey starts beneath the surface of the ocean. In warm coastal waters, sea moss grows attached to rocks, gently moving back and forth with the waves. Sunlight filters through the water while the sea moss absorbs naturally occurring nutrients from its marine environment. Once it reaches the right size, it is carefully harvested from the water. But it isn't ready for the kitchen just yet. First, the sea moss is thoroughly rinsed to remove salt, sand, and anything else it picked up in the ocean. Then it is spread out and dried, allowing the moisture to slowly leave until the sea moss becomes light, firm, and shelf stable. From there, the dried sea moss is packaged and begins its journey to our kitchen. When it arrives, we inspect it, rinse it again, and soak it in clean water. Slowly, the dried strands soften, expand, and come back to life. Finally, the softened sea moss is blended until it becomes the smooth gel you know and love. From the ocean, to the sun, to our kitchen, and finally, to your spoon. That's the journey of sea moss.